In this video, I'll be sharing with you my top 10 coins to buy for March 2026. Now, if you guys remember, in February 2026, which was just last month, we had a massive bearish trend in the crypto market. And towards the end of February, the market started kind of ranging. And so many people have been wondering what's going to happen next in the crypto market. Now, some people are even scared because if you look at it, Bitcoin has been around $60,000 to $70,000 for some few days right now. And it was on $126,000 just a few months ago. So that's about 50% drop. So I understand if you're actually worried or scared about your portfolio right now. But here's the thing. You see, the crypto market may be down right now, but the people who are smart, the smart ones, they're actually buying more right now. And very soon, in case you don't know, the 20 millionth Bitcoin will be mined. And this means that we will only have 1 million Bitcoins left. So in case you don't know, we have only 21 million Bitcoins and the 20 millionth Bitcoin will be mined very soon. So it means that you have just 1 million Bitcoin left forever. So right now is the right time to buy even more. So to this point, today I'll be showing you my top 10 coins you should have in your portfolio for this month and even for a long time. Now, you don't need to have all of this 10 I'll be talking about in this video. You just need to pick some of them and add them to your portfolio. Now, let's get straight to the point. Now, the first one on my list is SUI, S-U-I. Now, right now, the price of this coin is between $0.8 to $0.9, and the market cap is about $3.4 billion. Now, what is SUI coin all about? Now, SUI blockchain is a super fast blockchain that was built by some ex-Facebook engineers, and it can currently handle over 100,000 transactions per second. It's a very fast blockchain. Now, why did I add this coin to my list for this month? Now, the first reason is that the TVL, TVL means total value logged. Now, the TVL grew by 19.9% in the last quarter while everything was even crashing. And this got to about $2.6 billion in total value logged. Now, in case you're wondering what this TVL or total value logged is all about or what it means, what it basically means is that it helps you to know whether to invest in a coin or not. And the thing is that it measures the amount of capital currently used within a platform. So that means that when the TVL is high, it generally indicates higher trust and adoption, which is really, really good. So that's the first reason why I'm including this coin in my portfolio or in my list for this month. Now, the second reason why I'm putting this coin on my list for this month is that developer activity on the blockchain is up by 219%, which is huge. That means that people are actually going on this blockchain platform really, really well. Now, the third reason is that big tech companies are actually buying into this project. The fourth reason is that major games and major game platforms or companies are actually moving to this SUI blockchain also. And number four is that gas fees on this blockchain just got reduced by 40%, which is good. And another reason is that SUI is quietly crushing it right now. Like I said, the TVL has stayed strong even during the recent crash, and this means that real users actually trust this platform. And if SUI gets to about, let's say, 15% of the current Ethereum's value, it means that you go from $3 billion to about $50 billion. So if you do the math and you compare it to what you have in your portfolio right now, or maybe when you buy it, this is a very good one to have as a crypto investment. Trust me, it is a very undervalued layer 1 token right now. Now, the second one on my list is Bitensor or TAO. Now, what is this Bitensor all about? Now, you see, Bitensor is a network where AI models actually compete and the best models get rewarded. So it's like maybe Uber for AI training. That's basically what TAO is all about. Now, why is it on my list for this month? Now, the first reason is that AI is currently booming in 2026 and I want to go for even more AI coins. That's the first one. Now, the second reason is that it is a decentralized AI platform, and decentralized AI platforms means that no single company controls it. You see, companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft, they all control AI, and that is actually a problem because what if they shut you down anytime? But for Bitensor, it offers the decentralized alternative, so nobody can censor it, nobody can shut it down. So that means that AI agents can actually work independently, and that is why it is getting more popular. Now, another reason why I'm adding this coin is that real AI workloads are actually running on this network, and the network gets smarter every day. Now, another reason is that the more contributors on potential, the better the AI, and also the more the value it gets. So these are basically the reasons why I'm investing in this coin for this month and even for long term. Now, before I go to number 3, if you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and help us get to 200,000 subscribers. And also, I have so many videos on this channel that will make crypto simple for you to understand. So make sure you go to my channel, check out my previous videos, and you'll find different videos that can guide you. And also, if you want to check out my personal finance videos, you can check out my second YouTube channel. Just type Personal Finance Seco on YouTube. You will see it. So kindly go to the channel too and subscribe to that channel. On that one, you can find videos on how to make money, how to invest your money, and how to manage your money the right way. So please go ahead and subscribe to both channels and ensure you share our videos with your friends. Thank you. Now let's go back to the video. Now the third coin I'm adding on my list for this month is Bera Chain or Bera. Now the current price of this coin is about $0.6 and the market cap is about $130 million. Now what is Bera Chain all about? Now in case you don't know, Bera Chain is a new blockchain right now. It just launched about a year ago and it's like Ethereum but with a new way to actually secure the network. That's basically what it's all about. Now, why am I adding this coin to my portfolio or to my list for this month? Now, the first reason is that this was actually launched with about $3.1 billion in deposits, which is really good, to be honest. Now, the second reason is that it is arguably one of the top blockchain networks right now, even though it was just recently launched. Now, the third reason is that it has done over $1.1 billion in airdrop. A lot of people want airdrops from this project. Number 4 is that it has over 250 projects that are already integrated on this network. Now, the fifth reason is that it is built by top venture capital firms in the world. And number 6 is that it is compatible with different Ethereum apps. So you can see that despite the fact that this blockchain is still new and it does not have the track record of Ethereum or Solana, Bera Chain is currently a leader in the DeFi native blockchain space. And it's one of the coins I would advise you actually watch out for the next few weeks or maybe the next few months. Now, the fourth coin on my list this month is Maple Finance or Syrup, whichever one you want to call it. Now, the price for this coin is about $0.2 and the market cap right now is about $265 million. Now, what is Maple Finance all about? Now, you see, Maple does what is called lending for institutions. So basically what they do is that they give out crypto-backed loans and everything about it is transparent on the blockchain. There's nothing like hidden risk, nothing like that at all. That is what the Maple Finance is all about. Now, why did I add it on my list for this month? Now, the first reason is that the TVL has grown massively. I'm sure right now you should know what TVL is all about. Again, it means total value locked. So the TVL has grown massively recently. The second reason is that, you see, after FTX collapsed, Maple Finance actually filled the gap for that. Now, the third reason is that they have a target of about $10 billion in deposits in 2026 and about $2.16 million monthly revenue, which is good. And all this will definitely add more value to the coin. So this is another coin I'm watching out for, especially in 2026. Now, the fifth coin I'm watching out for is Tezos or XTZ. Now, you see, the current price of this coin is about $0.3 and the market cap is about $410 million. Now, what is this coin all about, or what is Tezos all about? Now, you see, Tezos is a self-amending blockchain with on-chain governance. It is known for institutional adoption, enterprise use, and even formal verification, all of these things. Now, why did I add this coin to my list for this month? Now, the first reason is that the total value locked, that's the TVL, grew by 5,566% in 2025, which was last year. Now, the second reason is that Tezos now works with Ethereum, which also brings more value to the coin and the blockchain. Number 3 is that it has JavaScript and Python support. Number 4 is that, according to popular research, the future price forecast for this coin is about $3 to about $9 by 2030. So if you're actually looking for coins to watch out for, to invest in for long term, I think this one should definitely be one of them. Now, the sixth coin I'm adding for my list this month is AAV. Now, right now, the current price of AAV is about $112 and the market cap is about $1.7 billion. billion. Now, what is this coin all about? Now, you see, AAV is a lending protocol. What I mean by this is that it is a money market protocol for collateralized lending and borrowing. So maybe you want to deposit crypto and you want to earn interest on that, or maybe you want to borrow crypto and you want to pay with interest. You can do all of this with AAV. Now, with all of this being said, why did I add it to my list for this month? Now, the first reason why I added AAV to my list for this month is that institutions can supply tokenized treasuries, bonds, and even private credit as collateral for them to get crypto-backed loans. Now, the second reason is the consistent fee generation through the bear and the bull market. And the third one is that it has a strong brand recognition in the DeFi space. So in summary, what I'm trying to say is that with AAV, institutions can deposit tokenized treasuries and borrow crypto. And that is actually how institutions can enter the DeFi space safely with regulated collateral and also things like transparent smart contracts. And in case you don't know, AAV makes money in any market, whether bear market or bull market. And this is because people or maybe institutions always need to borrow. I hope you understand. So that's another coin I'm watching out for. Now, before I go to number 7, if you want to learn crypto trading and understand everything you need to know to become a profitable crypto trader, you can go ahead to register for my complete crypto trading course. I'll put the link to the course in the description below. And you can also join my premium Signal group. The link to also join the Signal group will also be in the description below. Now, the 7th coin for my list this month is Synthetics, or SNX. Now, as at the time of making this video, the price of SNX is about $0.3 and the market cap is about $112 million. Now, what is this coin all about? Now, you see, Synthetics evolved from synthetic assets to a focused liquidity backend for things like perpetuals and also derivatives. And external decentralized exchanges can plug into Synthetics pooled liquidity. So basically what this means is that Synthetics provides liquidity for derivatives trading. I hope you get it. Now, why did I add this coin to my list for this month? Now, the first reason is that it powers multiple decentralized exchanges. The second one is that you see SNX takers can earn fees from all of the exchanges it powers. And number 3 is that it has survived multiple bear markets. Number 4 is that you see perpetual trading volume is massively increasing, and this will definitely bring more value to Synthetics. So basically, Synthetics is more like the infrastructure, and this makes it different from the others out there. I hope you get it. Now, the 8th coin for my list this month is Near Protocol, or just Near. Now, the current price of this coin is about $1 and the market cap is about $1.3 billion. Now, what is this coin all about? Now, you see, Near Protocol is a fast blockchain that is built for AI apps, and it also has things like JavaScript support. It is easy to use, and it also has a 1 to 2 second transaction speed. Now, why is this coin on my list for this month? Now, the first reason is that about 393,000 new wallets are created on Near Protocol every day. So this means that it is even growing even during a bear market. Now, the second reason is that it is built for AI from day one, from when it was launched. And then the third reason is that it supports JavaScript. So this means that it is easy for regular developers. And number 4 is that it has partnerships with different AI companies. So in summary, Near Protocol has positioned itself for AI very early. So while others are trying to chase trends, Near has built an AI infrastructure from the start. And with the daily wallet growth on this platform, even during a bear market, that tells you something that this is actually really good. And when maybe AI and crypto finally clicks, I think Near holders will definitely enjoy it. Now, the 9th coin for my list this month is Optimism, or OP. Now, right now, the current price of this coin is about $0.11 and the market cap is about $249 million. Now, what is Optimism all about? Now, you see, Optimism is another Ethereum layer 2 blockchain, but it has the something called a superchain vision. So what this means is that multiple blockchains are all connected to this. So think of it as creating an ecosystem of blockchains that work together seamlessly. That's what it actually means. And Optimism is actually creating an infrastructure for everyone, where anyone can build a layer 2 product using it. And over time, that will actually help Optimism to scale and even go up in value. And the token for this blockchain is OP, though I'm not kind of sure for this one, but because it has not really done too well. But let's say it goes for the next maybe few weeks or the next few months, and I'll give you guys update. Now, the 10th one for this month, as usual, is Bitcoin or BTC. Now, right now, the current price of Bitcoin is between $60,000 to $70,000. It has been ranging between between 60K to 70K. And if you are investing in crypto, you should definitely have Bitcoin in your portfolio or in your wallet. This is something that we always say, and we always say it. So make sure you have Bitcoin in your portfolio if you haven't started buying it. So these are the top 10 coins you should consider buying for this month of March 2026. And if you've learned something new about any of these cryptocurrencies, let me know in the comment section below, because that's something I'm trying to achieve with this series. I'm trying to make sure that I educate people about these different cryptocurrencies. That's why I always make sure that I talk about the cryptocurrencies, what they do, what the blockchain does, and different things you need to know about these cryptocurrencies, because a lot of people just know that these cryptocurrencies exist. They don't know anything about any of these cryptocurrencies. So again, if you have learned something about any of these 10 cryptocurrencies, let me know in the comment section below. And if you are planning to get any of them, let me also know the ones you are getting, or maybe the ones you already have in your portfolio. Let me also know in the comment section below. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And if you want to register for my complete crypto trading course, or maybe you want to join my Signal group, the links will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.